Happy soul. Hey guys, are Bradley's rebuilds suitable to help rank affiliate articles? It can be, yeah. Look, link building is link building. Topically relevant links are what matters for ranking in organic search, period. Full stop. Okay. Doesn't matter if it's local, regional, national, global, affiliate, e-com. It doesn't matter what kind of site it is. If you want to rank in organic search, topically relevant links are what matters. So that's what I sell. Topically relevant links. My service is designed more specific or geared more specifically towards local because that's what I do is local SEO. I don't do affiliate SEO. It doesn't mean that my links won't work for that. They're topically relevant links. Again, if you want to rank in organic search, whether it's local or global, it doesn't matter, period. Topically relevant links matter. So yes, my links will help with that. I would still do the exact same sort of link analysis that I do for local projects, which would be to analyze the top ranked competitors for whatever search query it is that you want to rank for, analyze all of their backlinks, figure out what the average anchor text ratio is across the top ranked competitors, the number of links that they have, identify what their most valuable and topically relevant, the links that are producing the most measurable value, figure out what those are, and then create a list. And that's what we have to meet and exceed in order to perform better than those competitors. And that's, again, that's purely on an off-page basis. You have to take on-page, entity, all like the entity itself, on-page, all of that has to go in, has to be taken into account, but purely on an off-page link building, purely based on off-page or link, backlink profile. That's the methodology that I use, and it will absolutely work for affiliate as well. Generally, depending on the query though, it just usually takes more links. But yeah, that's something that, again, can be done either via subscription or you can purchase it. Like the way I try to describe this to people is semantic link subscriptions are totally done for you, hands off on your side, unless you want to be involved. I have links, you can purchase links from like Vetted, for example, or you can do one-off purchases inside the semantic links dashboard. That's more like a do-it-yourself type of link building or done with you. In other words, you tell me what the target URLs and the anchor texts are that you want. And we go out and place those on topically relevant domains with topically relevant content. But we do what you tell us to because you provided the target URLs and the anchor text. With the subscription model or the subscription service, we handle all of it. I mean, we ask for target URLs and desired anchor text as a starting point, and we always start with that because that's what you tell us is the priority. But then we analyze the project more holistically and determine where are there opportunities elsewhere on the site to build links that is being underutilized, right? Where there's strategic points on the site that we can push link equity and topical relevance that will help the entire site rise up in the search results, where they say Network Empire used to call that buoyancy, right? A rising tide lifts all boats. So if you push link equity and topical relevance into strategic points on a site, it can actually help the entire site get better results or perform better in search. Does that make sense? So we have my monthly link building clients, when they first subscribe, they tell us the target URLs and anchor text that they desire. And we always use that as a starting point. We prioritize that because that's what they told us they want us to prioritize. But then after usually the first month, or sometimes depending on the subscription, sometimes it'll be 2 months, then we start kind of analyzing the project more holistically and finding other places that we can build links that are going to make the whole project perform better. Because sometimes our people, they think that they know what they need in order to rank, and they're wrong. And it's not, I'm not slighting anybody for that. They just don't know. You know what I mean? I spend so many hours per day this entire year, 2022, analyzing backlink profiles. I've gotten really good at it. So that's why, like I said, I try to provide consultation and guidance on link building too. Okay. But yeah, by the way, do you want to schedule a call with me? Sure. You can certainly do that. Just go to semanticlinks.io. You can schedule a call with me. Okay. But only if you're planning on buying links, guys. Jesus Christ. Don't schedule an hour of my time just to shoot the shit. Okay. Like, I'm sorry. I gotta throw that out there because I have had in the last few weeks, I've had a few people ask me to do audits, which it takes a full hour of my time to do an audit. And I realize now that all they were doing was scamming me to get a free audit. And so I've got to be a little bit more vigilant about who I agree to give audits to, or I'm just going to have to start charging for the audits, which is likely what I'm going to do. Okay. Because then the only time you're going to ask for an audit is if you are truly interested in working with me, right? Hopefully that makes sense.